Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the iOS 26 update on your iPhone. So let's jump right into it. Solution number 1. Check your internet connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Updates won't work on mobile data. If your Wi-Fi is slow, restart your router or switch to another network. Solution number 2. Free up storage space. iOS updates usually need about 5 or 6 GB or free space. Go to Setting app, tap on General, select iPhone storage. If space is low, delete unused apps, or photos, videos or files. Solution number 3. Charge your iPhone. Updates won't start if your battery is too low. Make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery on. Simply keep it plugged into the charger during the update. Solution number 4. Check for the iOS update. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If iOS 26 is available, tap Download and Install to start upgrading your iPhone. And that's it. Guys, that's how you can easily download and install the iOS 26 update on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.